Hi everyone, in this tutorial we are going to work with class attribute in HTML5. Let's watch this amazing video. In before tutorial we seen about how to style the tags, and by using in HTML like inline CSS we use it. So it was very clear explanation, guys. If you missed the tutorial, the link was available in description. Just go and learn how to style the particular text by using HTML. I think it's like a very clear explanation. Now in this tutorial, now we are going to discuss about class attribute in HTML. So just I'll close this file. I'll create a new file which is called class. So what is meant by class? It's like a, what is class? It's tag or what? I don't know. So you may confuse. So everything will explain in this tutorial. Just watch this tutorial till the end. Now I'm copying the actual syntax of HTML. So yes, and of course I done very good job. Now I'm closing these all things, and I'm opening this where what you can say that class.html. Yeah, I'm closing this one. So now my task is, what is meant by class generally? So in HTML we'll hear the class. So class is actually, it's not a tag, it is like a one attribute. So in before we use style. So style is like a one attribute, like that same is also like a class. So guys, in before just I'll open the file which is like I want to open the style. So why? Because we seen like in style, so we use it for body, we use it for h1, we use it for if you want different color. So we use it for each and every tag. So by using style we done. So if you want like three elements should be in same color, so if you use the same style for three elements, it doesn't make sense, right? So that's why we are having an attribute which is called class. So if you want multiple elements, if you want multiple elements should be in same style, so we can you by using class we can do that. The best example I'll explain, then you can understand what I have explained. So first of all, guys, just I'll create some better to just I'll copy this one. So up to h2 I'm copying, control V, and you can see that just I copied something. This is Haripriya, this is Haripriya, like p h1 and h2 I copied. I done very good job. Now I want these three tags, the three elements I want like same color. So instead of writing this style equal to the time waste of my, so I don't want to write like that. So I want to be in same. So further, of course, we are having a tag which is called style tag, which is, this is also called, what we are using, it's like a internal CSS without using dot CSS file. So we are using internal CSS. So yes, to create a class we need to create dot with the help of dot. So what you need to style? So generally you need to style the paragraph, right? Just give para. So that's enough, you created the class. And yes, so here you need to give which color you want. So you want the color of the text. So you need the color, which color of the text you want. You want salmon color? Yes, of course you need. So where you want, so up to these three tags you want, right? So for that we are having div tag. I already explained about div tag. So in, I think, non-semantic tags, I explained div tag, what is div tag, how to use and everything. So I want to divide this one because generally I want to use this class attribute in div tag. So because if I use the div tag, it's all applicable for these three. So just use the class equal to and just give the name of the class which is called para. So just control S, and you can reload, and you can see just I'm increasing the size, and you can see both are same color, which is I given like salmon color. Like that you can do more things, guys. If you want the background color also, so if you want like background color, so of course, so if you want like I want like the sky blue, just control S and reload. It was applicable the part only because I didn't given in body, right? If I give the class in body, just observe, guys, it will applicable for whole. it was applicable for whole. So just control S, you can see it was applicable for whole. So this is what. So if you want the particular elements only, so this class tag was very useful. And the best example I want to give that. So like yeah, I want to create another class, which is, to create a class, definitely you can use dot. So like I want to better to use, I want to give like a text size and everything. So that's why I'm creating txt. Yeah, okay. So the class name is txt. So here I want to give the text size or text align. The text align should be center. And another one which is I want to give the text size. You can give like font size also. We are having the font size. So I want like the font size should be like 800%. So 800%. So yeah, of course I want only these three tags. So that's why I'm keeping div tag. So in div tag I'm telling the class I use, which is like same class txt. So equal to, just give txt and close the div tag. Just close div and just control s. And here I didn't close it, yes. And just control s, and you can see that definitely, yeah, my size was very big size. Of course it was very big size because I given like 800. Just I'll decrease to 100%, and you can see that, and just reload. Yeah, because I given like the text align should be center color. So this is the way to use the class. So instead of writing this every tag in every, of course if you want different colors for different, of course you can use like this. But if you want the particular the same paragraph should be in same thing, you can use by using this one. So not only this one, you can apply in span tag also, and you can apply in span tag. You can apply the class also. So if you want like yeah, again I'll create one class which is dot anything. You can create you. I want to create you class name. So here I want to give the color of, give like color again tan color I want to give. So now where I want to use this tag. So now up to now I use a div tag, right? Now I want to use the span tag, how it was working. I want to see that span tag. Just give a span tag. Better to use, just I'm creating one tag which is by using h1. Like this is YouTube channel. I want to use span tag for this one YouTube only. I want to get like a red color. So yes, by using span tag, just apply the class which is used. So I created the class which is u. So just give you and just close this one. And where you want, up to YouTube only you need red color, right? So just give like this and just control s and just reload, and you can see this tan color. You can observe this one. You can use div also, doesn't matter. You can use div also instead of span. You can use div also, but I'm telling how to use these all tags. That's why I'm explaining. So this is all about class attribute. So this is very important, guys. So that's why I'm explaining this particularly about the class attribute in tutorial. So this is all about class attribute, how to use. I think it's like a very clear explanation. So to apply the particular elements, to set off multiple elements, the same color or same font, you can create the class and you can apply. And one more thing, and same thing you can apply this class for multiple. And you can, yeah, you can use this para class for multiple elements. So it's like a we can't we should not write, no need to write always the code. So the same, once you written this one, just use this para to everywhere where you want. So that is called multiple elements. So the best example is, again I'm copying this one, just I'm pasting here. So again I want to create, so I don't want to create, right? So I'll use this para for same. So for that we are having a tag which is called div. So I'll use, so multiple times I'm using this class tag, and here I'm ending this div tag, and you can see that. Control S and reload. You can see it was applied. So that means the code, the class you can use many times. That is called class attribute. I think it's like a very clear explanation, guys. Now I'll come with another tutorial which is called ID attribute. So what is ID? So how can we use ID attribute? So everything we'll discuss in upcoming tutorial. Until then, wait for next tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll come with the new videos and new tutorials for you. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, just hit that subscribe button and give a like and share, and also